Hello friends, colleagues, teachers and students. Now I discuss one question from quadratic equation algebra. I share that question. Uh, the question is if the difference between the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus ax plus 2a is equal to 0, which is real, is less than 2 root 5, then find the range of a. Then find the range of a. Okay. Here, let the roots be alpha comma beta. Those can for the quadratic equation. So the roots will be minus b plus or minus root or b square minus 4ac whole by 2a is applied. So the roots will be a plus or minus root over minus of minus a. So a minus a whole square. So a square minus 4 into 1 into 2a, 4 into 1 into 2a whole divided by 2a, 2 into a being coefficient of x square 1, 2 into 1 2. So the roots will be a plus or minus root over a square minus 8a by 2. Now, those are in the form of, okay, the roots will be a by 2 plus root over a square minus 8a by 2 is first root, and a by 2 minus root a square minus 8a by 2 is the second root. So we can say that these are in the form of alpha by 2 plus k, alpha by 2 minus k. Difference of alpha difference beta will be alpha by 2 plus k, alpha by 2 minus k minus of minus k, 2k. So the difference will be 2 into root over a square minus 8a by 2. So 2 get cancelled. The difference itself is root over a square minus 8a. Quickly writing. Now we have a condition a square minus 8a under root which is real is less than 2 root 5 is less than 2 root 5 is here. So we can say that squaring on both sides a square minus 8a less than 2 to 4 4 5 is 20. So we can say that this can be written as a square minus 8a minus 20 less than 0. So minus 20 can be written as minus 20 can be written as minus 10 into 2, and minus 8 is nothing but middle part is equal to minus 10 plus 2. So roots will be factors will be x minus a minus 10 into a plus 2 less than 0. From this we can say that roots will be lying between minus 2 and 10. For a minus 10 into a plus 2 less than 0, roots will be lying between a minus 2 and 10. So minus 2 less than a less than 10. So answer is option C, but it is not correct. Why? Because there is some limitation. Limitations should be taken into consideration. So those are nothing but this part. So we have root over a square minus 8a, 8a root it being root over a square minus 8a must be real. So root over a square minus 8a must be greater than or equal to 0. So we can say this is the second part of the solution. So a square minus 8a greater than or equal to 0. So we can write this as a into a minus 8 greater than or equal to 0. So a does not lie between 0 and 8. We can say now here a less than or equal to 0 or a greater than or equal to 8. Two conditions. This condition should be superimposed on this star marked conditions. We have to consider these two. So we can on a line diagram, if we draw here, this is minus 2, this is 0, this is minus 2, this is 0, this is 8, this is 10, assume. So first region, a must be less than or equal to 0. Therefore, this region we have to consider. And minus 2 less than a less than 10. 0 is included. So 0 is included here. Next, a greater than or equal to 8. 8 is included and it should be considered. Up to minus 10, up to 10 we can consider. Therefore, final region is minus 2 less than a less than or equal to 0 or 8 less than or equal to a less than 10. This is the final range of a. I repeat, which is less than real. Then find the range of a. Range of a is -2 less than or equal to a less than or -2 less than or equal to a. Sorry, not here -2, only -2, which is -2 less than a, not less than a, not a, less than or equal to 0 or 8 less than or equal to a. 8 is included, but 10 is not included. And here -2 is not included. So this is the region. Here we do not consider this less than. So this is answer. If you like my video, please like it. Please share my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you.